Here we're going to look at testing our NOCO portable battery charger. We've all been here and done this, left our lights on, or we're listening to the radio a little bit too long and come back and our vehicle is not starting. Come inside the start and we're getting slow turning. So let's try out our NOCO battery booster. This is the GB70, you can get a bigger one. This is the medium sized NOCO Genius GB70, 2000 amps. So let's try it out. Here we've got the monitor up. We're going to connect our black positive, our black negative onto our earthing point here and our positive here onto our positive jumping point, just like that. Now we're going to switch the booster on and you should get all this sort of flashing here, tell you it's working. Now here comes the big question, will it work and will it start a large 3.5 ton van like this? Easy peasy. Let's switch it off. Disconnect it. So there you see that 3,500 kilogram van or truck starts them quite easily. We've had this for about 1.5 years now, and it starts pretty much anything we put on it. And after the start we can see how much battery charge there is left, still on 100% there, as you can see. I've used this in motorhomes. Bring it with you, you can just, it's handheld. You can fit it in your glove box, you can even put it in your coat pocket, and it goes back in this neat little carrier bag. That. And within a few seconds we're on our way to drive home.